friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, JK, SSB, UGC, NET, Police, Railway and Interstate level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter-wise discussion in notes forum, chapter-wise question bank with each chapter-wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in banking, PO clerk, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC, NET, Police, Railway and interstate level exams. एंड थ्रू दिस एंटायर सीरीज़ वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल दिस सिलेबस। और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करें ईच चैप्टर ईच पार्ट एट लीस्ट वाइज एंड दे कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस MCQs PYQs एज वेल बिफोर देयर एग्जामिनेशन। इसके अलावा मैं आपको आल्सो बता दूँ, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप। अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो तो मुझे आल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। एंड अनटिल हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किए हैं 2 MCQ PYQ सेट्स फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड एट लीस्ट 50+ क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को आल्सो देख सकते हैं। एंड टुडे दिस विल बी आवर थर्ड और लास्ट MCQ PYQ सेट फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 52। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a dash is an icon on the desktop that provides a user with immediate access to a program or file. Your options are 1 kernel, 2 buffer, 3 shortcut and 4 spooler. Here the correct answer is option 3 shortcut. Explanation: जो shortcut icon होता है on the desktop that provide us quick access to the program or file without needing to navigate or search through folders. And जो हमारा option 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us see another question. The question is, what is the full form of RTF? This question had been already asked in IBPS clerk May 2017. Your options are 1 richer text formatting, 2 rich text format, 3 write text fishing, 4 write text font and 5 rich text font. Here the correct answer is option 2 rich text format. Let's see an explanation. Simply जो RTF है it stands for rich text format. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is, the extensions of paint file is are. Your options are 1 .png, 2 .jpg, 3 .bmp and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 4 all of these. Let's see an explanation. जो Microsoft Paint है it save files in various image formats including .png that is portable network graphics, then .jpg that is joint photographic experts group and .bmp that is bitmap. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us move to another question. The question is, which of the following options is used to open calculator? Your options are 1 start button, then all programs, then accessories, then calculator, 2 start button, then all programs, then calculator, option 3 start button, then accessories, then calculator and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 3 start button, then accessories, then calculator. Let's see an explanation. जो मोर एक्यूरेट और जो मोर डायरेक्ट वे है टू ओपन कैलकुलेटर इज दैट इज टू फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन, देन ऑन एसेसरीज, देन डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेटर. हाउएवर अदर ऑप्शंस जो हैं दैट माइट एग्जिस्ट, दैट माइट बी वेल्ड थ्रू विच हम ओपन कर सकते हैं कैलकुलेटर को, बट जो मोस्ट स्टैंडर्ड एंड कंसिस्टेंट वे है दैट इज थ्रू द एसेसरीज फोल्डर. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss another question. The question is, dash is an easy to use interface to play digital media files. Your options are 1 WordPad, 2 Notepad, 3 media player and 4 games. Here the correct answer is option 3 media player. Explanation. जो मीडिया प्लेयर है इट इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन जिसको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है टू प्ले डिजिटल म्यूज़िक फाइल्स इंक्लूडिंग ऑडियो एंड वीडियो। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मीडिया प्लेयर है या वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर है या क्विक टाइम प्लेयर हैं। सो ये जो एग्जांपल्स हैं दीज आर ऑल द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मीडिया प्लेयर थ्रू विच हम प्ले करते हैं ऑडियोज़ और वीडियोज़ को। वाइल अदर ऑप्शंस जो है लाइक वर्ड पैड या नोट पैड, दीज आर बेसिकली द एप्लीकेशंस जिनको हम यूज़ करते हैं फॉर टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग। एंड गेम्स एप्लीकेशंस जो हैं इनको हम स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ करते हैं फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट that has nothing to do with the with playing media files। hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer। now let's proceed to next question। the question is when you cut or copy information it gets placed in the dash dash। this question had been already asked in IBPS clerk 2013। your options are 1 clip path, 2 clipboard, 3 motherboard, 4 both 1 and 2, and 5 none of these। Here the correct answer is option 2 clipboard। Let's see an explanation। जब हम कट या कॉपी करते हैं किसी इन्फॉर्मेशन या टेक्स्ट को वो टेम्परेरी स्टोर होता है इन क्लिपबोर्ड। जो क्लिपबोर्ड है इट इज़ अ स्पेशल मेमोरी लोकेशन जो कि अलाउ करती है हमें टू पेस्ट द इन्फॉर्मेशन एल्सवेयर। While if we talk about other options like option 1 clip art जो है it is incorrect because clip art जो है it is a collection of images and graphics। then option 3 motherboard जो है it is also incorrect because जो motherboard है it is a main circuit board of a computer। then option 4 जो है both 1 and 2 it is also incorrect because जो clip art है that has nothing to do with copying or cutting text। hence जो हमारा option 2 है that's our correct answer। now let us see next question। the question is a clipboard। this question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2014। your options are 1 is used to save data on disk in the event of power failure, 2 it is able to return the contents even when computer is switched off, 3 is available only in Microsoft Word, 4 it is temporary storage in computer memory and temporary stores the cut or copied data, and 5 none of the above। as just we had discussed I think you will mark it rightly here। जो correct answer है हमारा that is option 4। it is a temporary storage in computer memory and it temporarily stores the cut or copied data। let's see an explanation। जो clipboard है it is basically a feature of an operating system which is not only available in Microsoft Word। so this makes our option 3 incorrect। and clipboard जो है it is also a volatile memory area rather than non volatile। means here जो contents हैं that are lost when computer is turned off, which makes option 1 and 2 incorrect। so जो clipboard है इसको हम जनरली यूज़ करते हैं फॉर टेम्पररी स्टोरेज ऑफ कटेड और कॉपी डेटा जो कि हमें अलाउ करते हैं टू पेस्ट दैट डेटा और टेक्स्ट एल्सवेयर। है ना जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर। now let's move to another question। the question is what is the command used to remove text or graphics from a document। the information is then stored on the clipboard so you can paste it। your options are 1 chop, 2 cut, 3 clip, and 4 cut away। here the correct answer is option 2 cut। let's see an explanation। जो cut command है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू रिमूव टेक्स्ट और ग्राफिक्स फ्रॉम ए डॉक्यूमेंट and it generally store that text or that graphics in the clipboard that basically allow us to paste it elsewhere। while other options जो हैं like chop and cut away these are incorrect because these are not the standard computer commands। and clip जो है it's also incorrect because it has nothing to do with cutting or removing text which is basically a term used for media clipping। है जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर। now let us see next question। the question is a saved document is referred to as your options are 1 file, 2 word, 3 folder, 4 project, and 5 none of these। here the correct answer is option 1 file। explanation। जो सेव document है it's called as file because it is generally stored on the computer with a specific name or with specific format like .docs, .text or .pdf. While other options जो है like option 2 word जो है it is incorrect because it refers to Microsoft Word or individual words in the document. Then option 3 folder जो है it is also incorrect because फोल्डर जो है इट इज़ कंटेनर जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं टू ऑर्गेनाइज मल्टीपल फाइल्स. एंड ऑप्शन 4 जो है प्रोजेक्ट इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो प्रोजेक्ट है इट में रेफर टू द कलेक्शन ऑफ रिलेटेड फाइल्स बट द थिंग इज इट इज़ नॉट ए जनरल टर्म यूज्ड फॉर सेव्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स. है जो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss another question. The question is the name given to a document by the user is called. Your options are 1 file name, 2 program, 3 data and 4 record. Here the correct answer is option 1 file name. Let's see an explanation. जो फाइल नेम है इट इज़ ए नेम जो कि डॉक्यूमेंट को दिया जाता है बाय ए यूज़र दैट इज़ ड्यूरिंग सेविंग इट, जो कि बेसिकली हेल्प करते हैं यूज़र्स को टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड टू लोकेट द फाइल इन दिस सिस्टम. While if we see other options like option 2 जो है program it is incorrect because जो programmers हैं these are the software applications. Then option 3 data जो है it is also incorrect because जो data है it refers to information which is generally stored inside the file. And option 4 record जो है it is also incorrect because जो record है it is a collection of related data. और ये जो टर्म है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है इन डेटाबेस कंसेप्ट्स. है ना जो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज a dash is a collection of information served as a unit. Your options are 1 folder, 2 file, 3 path and 4 file extension. Here the correct answer is option 2 file. Let's see an explanation. जो फाइल है इट इज़ नथिंग बट ए कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज़ जनरली स्टोर्ड एज ए सिंगल यूनिट ऑन ए कंप्यूटर, जिसको जनरली स्टोर किया जाता है एज वन और सिंगल यूनिट ऑन ए कंप्यूटर. एंड फाइल जो है इट कंटेन्स और इट स्टोर्स टेक्स्ट्स, इमेजेस, वीडियोस और अदर टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा इनसाइड. While if we see other options like option 1 folder जो है it is incorrect because as we had discussed जो folder है it is basically a container इसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू ऑर्गेनाइज मल्टीपल फाइल्स. देन ऑप्शन 3 पाथ जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो पाथ है इट इज़ लोकेशन ऑफ ए फाइल और फोल्डर इन द डायरेक्टरी स्ट्रक्चर. एंड ऑप्शन 4 फाइल एक्सटेंशन जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज फाइल एक्सटेंशन जो है इट इज़ बेसिकली ए ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स लाइक डॉट टेक्स्ट, डॉट डॉक्स जो कि इंडिकेट or that shows the types of file or what type of file it is. है ना जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is a file is often referred to as a. This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2012. Your options are 1 wizard, 2 document, 3 pen, 4 device and 5 documentation. Here the correct answer is option 2 document. Let's see an explanation. जो फाइल है इसको ऑफन रेफर किया जाता है एज डॉक्यूमेंट एस्पेशली व्हेन इट कंटेन और व्हेन इट स्टोर्स टेक्स्ट, इमेजेस और अदर स्टोर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. व्हाइल इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 विजार्ड जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड इन सॉफ्टवेयर. देन ऑप्शन 3 पेन जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज it is basically a section of windows in graphical user interface. Then option 4 device जो है it is also incorrect because it refers to hardware components. And 5 documentation जो है it is also incorrect because it means manuals or guides but not individual files. है ना जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The question is which of the following statements is a false conceiving file names? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 every file in the same folder must have a unique name. 2 the file name comes from before the dot. 3 file extension is another name for the type. 4 the file extension comes before the dot followed by the file name. And 5 files may share the same name or the same extension but not both at the same time. Here the correct answer is option 4. The file extension comes before the dot followed by the file name. Explanation: the file extension comes before the dot followed by the file name is basically false statement here, because जो file name है it comes before the dot, and file extension जो है it comes after the dot. Like for example document dot text, here जो document है it is a file name and dot text जो है it is an extension, while other statement जो है they are correct here. Like जो file is in the same folder है that must have a unique name is, then file extension जो है that should indicate the file type, and file जो है that may share the same name or extension but they are not found in the same location. So all of these options जो है they are correct about file naming, and जो हमारा option 4 है that is the correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is, file extensions are used in order to, your options are 1. Name the file, 2. Ensure the file name is not lost, 3. Identify the file, and 4. Identify the file type. As just we had discussed, I think you will mark it rightly. Here the correct answer is option 4. Identify the file type. Explanation: जो फाइल एक्सटेंशन है लाइक डॉट टी एक्स टी, डॉट डॉक्स, डॉट जे पी जी, डॉट एम पी वाई, सो ये जो एक्सटेंशंस हैं ये हमें हेल्प करते हैं, या ये ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और यूज़र्स को हेल्प करते हैं टू रिकॉग्नाइज द टाइप ऑफ फाइल एज वेल एज टू डिटरमाइन विच प्रोग्राम कैन ओपन द फाइल टाइप्स. while if we see other options like option 1, naming the file जो है it is incorrect because it is generally done by the user, while extensions जो है that basically define file types. Then option 2, ensuring the file name जो है ensuring the file name is not lost is also incorrect because it's not basically the function of the file extensions. And option 3, identifying the file is also incorrect because it is quite general it's quite general statement, while जो extensions हैं that specifically identifies file types. Hence यहाँ पे जो हमारा option 4 है that is your correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is, which of the following contained at the end of the file name and help to determine the type of file? This question had been already asked in SPI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1. File property, 2. File type, 3. File name, 4. File subname, and 5. File extension. As we had discussed it many times, I'm sure you will mark it rightly. Here the correct answer is option 5. File extension. Explanation: जो file extension है it generally यह हमें देखने को मिलता है at the end of the file name that is after the dot, जो कि basically help करते हैं users और operating systems को to determine a particular file type. Like for example dot docs जो है it is a Microsoft Word document or file, dot jpj जो है it is an image file, dot mp3 जो है it is an audio file. So through these extensions हम easily determine करते हैं which type of file it is. While if we see other options, why other options are incorrect, like जो option 1 है file properties जो है it is incorrect because it refers to file attributes like size, file of size, size of file, creation date, and it is permission. Then option 2 जो है file type, it is also incorrect because it basically describes the nature of file which is not found at the end of the name. Then option 3 जो है file name, it is also incorrect because it refers to complete name of the file including the extension. And option 4 जो है file subname, it's also incorrect because it is not a standard term used in computing. And जो हमारा option 5 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, what are .bash, .doc, .htm examples in computing? This question had been already asked in IBPS PO 2015. As just we had discussed, I think this question will be more easy for you. Your options are 1. Extensions, 2. Protocols, 3. Database, 4. Domains, and 5. None of these. Here the correct answer is option 1. Extensions. एक्सप्लेनेशन, जो फाइल एक्सटेंशंस हैं दे बेसिकली इंडिकेट द टाइप ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर फाइल, जो कि हेल्प करते हैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और यूजर्स को टू डिटरमाइन विच प्रोग्राम शुड ओपन पर्टिकुलर फाइल। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल डॉट बी एस जो है इट इज़ अ बेसिक सोर्स कोड फाइल, डॉट डॉक जो है इट इज़ अ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, डॉट एच टी एम जो है it is an HTML web page file etc. While if we see other options like option 2 protocol जो है it is incorrect because जो protocol है it include HTTP, FTP. These are basically the rules for communication over the network. Then option 3 database जो है it is also incorrect because जो database है इनको use किया जाता है to store structured data. And option 4 जो है domains it is also incorrect because it include .com, .org etc. जिनको basically use किया जाता है in web addresses. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that's the correct answer. Now let's see another question. The question is, what is the default file extension for all Word documents? Your options are 1 WRT, 2 TXT, 3 DOC, 4 FIL and 5 WD. Here the correct answer is option 3 DOC. Let's see an explanation. The default file extension है for Microsoft Word documents that is .doc. और ये जो एक्सटेंशन है ये हमें मेनली देखने को मिलता था इन ओल्डर वर्जन्स लाइक फ्रॉम वर्ड 97 टू 2003 एंड .dox जो है हमें न्यू फाइल एक्सटेंशन वर्जन देखने को मिलता है इन न्यूअर वर्जन्स फ्रॉम वर्ड 2007 टू प्रेजेंट। While other options जो है like WOT, FIL and WD, these are not the standard file extensions. And TXT file extension जो है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है for plain text files rather than Word documents. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is, you organize files by storing them in. This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2012. Your options are 1 archives, 2 lists, 3 indexes, 4 folders and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 4 folders. Explanation, जो फाइल्स हैं उनको जनरली ऑर्गेनाइज और स्टोर किया जाता है इन फोल्डर्स ऑन ए कंप्यूटर सो दैट वी कीप देम स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड इन इजी रीच। While if we talk about other options like option 1 archives जो है it is incorrect because जो archives हैं they generally store compressed files that do not organize files in a structured way. Then option 2 list जो है it is also incorrect because जो lists हैं they are not used for the file storage. And option 3 indexes जो है it is also incorrect because जो indexes हैं they help us in searching files rather than storing them. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, dash dash may be included in other folder while making hierarchical structure folder. This question your options are 1 mini folder, 2 small folder, 3 subfolder and 4 objective folder. Here the correct answer is option 3 subfolder. Let's see an explanation. जो सब फोल्डर है इट इज़ सच टाइप ऑफ फोल्डर जो कि हमें मेनली देखने को मिलता है विद इन अनदर फोल्डर जो कि बेसिकली क्रिएट करता है एक हायरार्कियल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर बेटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। वाइल इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस व्हाई दे आर इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो मिनी फोल्डर और जो स्मॉल फोल्डर है दीज आर नॉट द स्टैंडर्ड टर्म्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव फोल्डर जो है इट्स नॉट यूज्ड फॉर द फाइल मैनेजमेंट। हैंस जो हमारा option 3 है that is the correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is, which of the following refers to containers used to store related document is located on the computer? This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 labels, 2 indexes, 3 programmers, 4 folders and 5 sections. Here the correct answer is option 4 folders. Let's see an explanation. जो फोल्डर्स हैं इनको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू स्टोर एंड टू ऑर्गेनाइज रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑन ए कंप्यूटर जो कि हमें हेल्प करते हैं इन मैनेजिंग फाइल्स इफेक्टिवली बाय ग्रुपिंग सिमिलर आइटम्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स टुगेदर। While if we see other options like option 1 labels जो है it is incorrect because जो labels हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है for categorization of files rather than storing them. Then option 2 indexes जो है it is also incorrect because जो indexes हैं they help us in searching files rather than storing. Then option 3 जो है programs it is also incorrect because जो programs हैं these are the software applications rather than storage containers. And option 5 sections जो है it is also incorrect because these are the divisions in the document. Hence यहाँ पे जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is you can keep your personal files and folders in your options are 1 my folder, 2 documents, 3 my files and 4 my text. Here the correct answer is option 2 documents. Let's see an explanation. जो document folder है it is a default location or folder in the Windows and Mac OS जहाँ users जो है they store personal files and folders such as text documents, spreadsheet and presentations. While other options जो है like my folder and my files these are incorrect because they are not the standard system folders and my text जो है it is not a recognized file storage location. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is when embedding object into document are the following occurs. This question had been earlier asked in RBI grade B 2014. Your options are 1 embedded object becomes a part of the document, 2 embedded object remains outside object to the document but loaded with document, 3 both becomes a zip files, 4 both 1 and 2 and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4 both 1 and 2. Explanation. जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को एम्बेड या ऐड किया जाता है इनटू document what happens is that first जो object है that becomes the part of the document which is generally stored within a document file itself and second जो object है that remains outside but that remains loaded within the document like some embedded objects जो है such as link जो है और linked objects जो है that remain separate but they remain referenced with a particular document. Well, if we talk about other options like option 3 zip file creation जो है it is incorrect because it is not related to embedding objects and option 5 none of the above जो है it is also incorrect because जो embedding है that takes place in two ways that we had discussed above. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is which of the following shortcut keys represent the correct sequence of copy, paste and cut commands. Your options are 1 Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, 2 Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V and Ctrl plus X, 3 Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V and 4 Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V. Here the correct answer is option 2 Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V and Ctrl plus X. Explanation. जो शॉर्टकट कीज़ हैं लाइक कंट्रोल प्लस सी इसको हम पर्टिकुलरली यूज़ करते हैं टू कॉपी टेक्स्ट दैट बेसिकली डुप्लीकेट सिलेक्टेड कंटेंट और टेक्स्ट. सिमिलरली जो कंट्रोल प्लस वी है इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू पेस्ट टेक्स्ट जो कि इंसर्ट करते हैं कॉपीड और कटेड कंटेंट और टेक्स्ट को. एंड कंट्रोल प्लस एक्स जो है इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू कट टेक्स्ट जो कि रिमूव करते हैं सिलेक्टेड कंटेंट और जो कि स्टोर करते हैं टेक्स्ट को इन द क्लिपबोर्ड. एंड अदर ऑप्शंस जो है दैट आर इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज दे मिक्स अप द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ कट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट कमांड्स. हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is which of the following keys is used to delete characters to the left of the cursor. This question had been already asked in SBI BO 2014. Your options are 1 Alt plus delete, 2 Shift, 3 Escape, 4 delete and 5 backspace. Here the correct answer is option 5 backspace. Explanation. जो बैक स्पेस की है इसको हम स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ करते हैं टू डिलीट कैरेक्टर्स टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ द कर्सर. लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 ऑल्ट प्लस डिलीट जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज It's not a standard delete command. Then option 2 shift जो है it is also incorrect because इसको हम use करते हैं to modify other keys, especially in case of capital letters, which is not used to delete text. Then option 3 जो है escape, it is also incorrect because इसको हम use करते हैं to control or to cancel any operation. And option 4 delete key जो है it is also incorrect because इसको हम use करते हैं to delete characters, but here we delete the characters to the right of the cursor. And जो हमारा option 5 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is, to restart the computer following combination of keys is used. Your options are 1 del plus control, 2 backspace plus control, 3 escape plus control, and 4 control plus alt plus del. Here the correct answer is option 4 control plus alt plus del. Explanation: by pressing control plus alt plus del हम open करते हैं task manager को, as well as it also allows us to restart or shut down the computer. Especially older versions में क्या होता था, older versions of Windows हम press करते थे control plus alt plus del, it directly restarts the computer. Let's also see other options like option 1 जो है del plus control, it is incorrect because it has no function for restarting. Then option 2 backspace plus control जो है it is also incorrect because it's not a valid restart command. And option 3 control plus escape plus control जो है ये जो keys हैं इनको हम use करते हैं to cancel particular action that has nothing to do with restarting. है जो हमारा option 4 है that's our correct answer. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is, which of the following shortcut keys is used to close current or active windows? This question had been already asked in IBPS RRB PO Mains 2018. Your options are 1 Alt plus F4, 2 Control plus F4, 3 Alt plus F6, 4 Control plus F6, and 5 Control plus Escape. Here the correct answer is option 1 Alt plus F4. Explanation: जो Alt plus F4 कीज हैं इनको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू क्लोज द करंट और एक्टिव विंडो इन विंडोज़. सेम एज जो ऑप्शन 2 कंट्रोल प्लस F4 कीज हैं इनको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू क्लोज द करंट टैब और document with application, with an application, like for example closing a tab in web browser or in a document in MS Word. But both of these जो है that are different, means जो option 2 है that is incorrect. And other options जो है they are also incorrect, like Alt plus F6 की जो है इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू स्विच बिटवीन मल्टीपल विंडोज़ ऑफ द सेम एप्लीकेशन. एंड कंट्रोल प्लस F6 की जो है इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू स्विच बिटवीन ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट्स इन द सेम एप्लीकेशन. एंड कंट्रोल प्लस एस्केप की जो है इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू ओपन द स्टार्ट मेनू विच डज नॉट क्लोज विंडोज़. हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है यहाँ दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. तो गाइस दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कहीं पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें. एंड आई होप आपने वीडियो को एंजॉय किया होगा. वीडियो को लाइक कमेंट शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. और इसी के साथ ही जो हमारा चैप्टर 9 है वो एंड होता है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस चैप्टर 10 in detail with some MCQ PYQ sessions. So keep a tab on all the videos that are coming soon. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. अगर कहीं भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखें. या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो तो ना मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. एंड you can also follow me on these social media platforms, and for PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.